I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a credit card to Paytm is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. On the home screen, look for the Payments section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Payments section, find and select the option that says Add Credit Card. This will take you to the card entry screen. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can lead to errors. Step 5. Save and verify. After entering your details, tap Save. You may need to verify the card through an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. If you encounter an error during verification, make sure your mobile number is linked to the card. Now you are all set. Enjoy using your credit card on Paytm for seamless transactions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.